Hello everyone, welcome to another episode with Travelling Oz Our Way. This week we're travelling to Uluru and we've got our friends Catherine and David to travel along with us, which we're really excited about. So last night we stayed at Kulgera, a roadhouse along the Stuart Highway, and this morning we got up pretty early and we're going to head straight out to Uluru. We're in the overflow section, so we want to get a good spot. It's going to take us about 4 hours with a couple of stops along the way, but stay with us as we share our experiences at Uluru and the Olgas.
Yeah, you'll see those utes go around your flat chat Davey boy.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
Nah, keep going, we'll stop at the Kings Canyon turnoff.
Sounds like a plan, yeah. I'm about 500 metres from the turn at the moment.
And I'm about 100 metres behind you.
No, look at that, I can just see in the mirror.
So we're here finally at Ayers Rock Campground and it's really busy as we're here in the peak season. And that means we were unable to get a firm booking, so we've come to the overflow section, which is really good. So you just drive in and you find a spot where you're most comfortable, and we're fortunate that we've got able to get our vans together and we've set up so we can put our awnings out and get some really good shade.
You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Legs out, Catherine.
Today we're going to ride around Uluru. Now we've bought our own bikes, but if you don't happen to have your own, you can hire them. Just near the cultural centre where you park your cars, there's a place where you can hire bikes, and it's a great way to get around Uluru and see the whole thing.
So, one thing to bloody remember, that's me walking down there pushing me bike, 2 flat tyres. So, good point to remember is if you're going to ride around Uluru, guys, make sure your tyres have got the rubberised gel in them, because there's plenty of spikies. And look how happy the old girl is. She didn't get a flat. After a big day, we decided to duck into the Pioneer Hotel, or the Outback Pioneer Hotel, pick up some supplies and a couple of beers. Just a little hint, make sure before you get to Uluru that you top your eskies up, otherwise you might get a little bit of a financial surprise, guys.
If you're out for a meal, though, it's a great night out. You have to cook your own steak or chicken or kangaroo or whatever the meat is, and then you get to the buffet with the salad. There's also entertainment, which is great.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
So today we've booked in to do a mala walk.
So the Mala Walk starts out from where you used to climb the rock, and it's with today we're with two Indigenous rangers. This is a free walk, Bub, isn't it? And
you have to book in though. So
yeah,
if you know your dates, book in early because it fills up really quickly.
and really worth it. These guys are absolutely brilliant to listen to.
Yeah, they know the history.
Okay, so you've seen it all from the air, now you're going to see it from the ground. We're heading out towards Catatuta, or the Olgas. It's just a really nice drive out. But David and Catherine in the back reminded me whether I can use bad language or not. But anyway, you don't need to know that. I'll give you a clip up the ear hole. It's really inviting as you're driving out to it, because you can just see it there sitting in the middle of nowhere. We're going to sort of half circumnavigate it and come around the other side, and we'll catch you again when we get round to where we're going to pull up at the Valley of the Winds.
The limit of love is endless. I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right and the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah.
Okay, so there you got some footage of us up in the Valley of the Winds. Good thing to remember here is when you go up into there, you've got to have good footwear, haven't you, Bob?
Yeah, it's a little bit rocky. The paths are beautiful, like they've man-made the paths, but there's some sections where you're on loose rock.
Yeah.
And then as you get further up into between the Olgas
Yeah.
or between the huge rocks, it's a little bit loose underfoot.
Yeah.
It's not a hard walk though.
Yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium.
Have a look at this, how beautiful it is. It's just absolutely stunning at night. And you'll notice that, the cloud formations and the lights from the car makes it absolutely beautiful.